CaityB back in the pudding with another video, and of course I'm with MommaB again. So again, this was requested, especially because it came out today, like 5-6 hours ago. This is 30Kingz Strictly Business, as you guys can see, and we're going to be doing a reaction video. Thanks to Uncle Ty for requesting this again, also known as ICF274. Yeah, so it's going to be doing really. So 30Kingz, we know that they're Melbourne based, so they reside in St. Albans, I'm guessing. And we are reading a bit about the meaning behind their name, and I'm guessing 30 is the prefix of their area code, 3021 or something. What's the area code? Yeah, the 30 part.
There's two guys.
Yeah, lives and sweets. I'm guessing the more taller guy, the skinnier guy is lives, and the more shorter, chubbier guy. I mean, the short, bulky guy is sweets. So that's all we know so far.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Oh, well, I knew that. I just looked up their Instagram today. I don't really know much about them. I've listened to their first song. I think, yeah, it's their only song before this one, called Businessman. I quite like it. It starts to, like, you know, dawns on you for a bit. Yeah, I like it. Anything else in MommaB?
Look at our shirts.
Retire represent 274.
Hit them up there. Stunners.
Yeah, Stunna No Limits is where we got our gear.
In Otara and in Uruhu, back in
Auckland, South Auckland. So yeah, check them out, and they have an online store anyways. I'll have it down in the description box below.
They have Mangere, other suburbs in Auckland.
Yeah, in Auckland.
They've got different ones. Check them out on their website.
And I have them in one of my New Zealand vlogs. I can't remember which one. But yeah, anyways, let's scrap it and get to the video. I don't know what to expect. Some people are saying that they're more easier to understand. Hopefully so, because you might be getting the same reaction you got in the last video. But yeah, if you guys like our reaction, let us know. Like, give us some more stuff to react to. I know that that's their gear, St. Albans gear. What am I getting one of those here?
What can we do, chickens?
Kathy. Finally switched it up.
It's like business, but all these boys never learn. I pick up the line and get to the boys and strong, we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffies, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count days, we're counting their blessings. Had your fun, but now it's our turn. It's like business, but all these boys never learn. I pick up that line and get to the boys, that's how we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffies, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count days, we're counting their blessings. Had your fun, but now it's our turn. I hit that lick when you hit that stuff. Don't stop laughing and hit that clip. They made me mess up the flow like this, cause ain't nobody ever roll like this. I watch this flow, especially when I'm on the beat. I kill this thing, the baggers, some murder scene. Grip that steel, them nigga like an athlete. But I'ma convert the scene to a masterpiece. Who wants to rock right now?
Copy that.
I don't wanna talk right now. Get involved right now. Watch them boys see them lads thinking I'm topping the ball right now. Gotta give it to you so the way, no time for acting and give it to you straight. Only bring it that week, but never been about flying. Got me spitting the bar and then I flip them in the train. Where you going? Best believe we never back down. These OGs here to tell you where it's at now. We was on the burn, but they put us on the map now. Get ready to feel it as it goes. They say it's sweet, still killing them now, more like I wasn't finished. Watch me pop both knees and watch the scale beat stuff that get the strap and shit it. That's like business, but all these boys never learn. I pick up the line and get to the boys and strong, we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffies, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count days, we're counting their blessings. Had your fun, but now it's our turn. It's like business, but all these boys never learn. I pick up that line and get to the boys and strong, we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffies, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count days, we're counting their blessings. Had your fun, but now it's our turn. Back to back like I'm Jordan, and cut that beat like I'm a flip heat with that wrist whip back like I'm Gordon. Still take shots just fine with no steel. Got buckets loaded with jack and
guys in the back look really awkward. That one's like,
still make sure that I murder with no kills. Hey, pick up that line and get to the boys and I'm on this track. Say less, say no more, say less. Ain't grinding hard, we've been working. Come west side, we've been doing it.
stuff that I've heard before.
Get like Mendes, that's business. Come blended, that's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffings, but we made it out of the dark.
Yeah, I saw the ticket and I was like,
Blessings, had your fun, but now it's upturned. It's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned. It's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up that line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned. It's like business.
bro. I actually really like that. It's so much more easy. Sorry, it's so much more easy to understand. I know that they're repeating, I'm guessing it was the hook a lot of the time throughout the song. What do you think of it?
It was easier to understand, and
Yeah, it's easier to understand.
I prefer first video, like the beat,
Yeah.
the quality.
Yeah, I like, I sort of like that it's more simple, because I know a lot of the other jollers I've seen on Instagram, like snippets, it's always like a dark scene or a whole bunch of them. I like this one, it was nice and simple. You can actually sort of see what's going on. Yeah, I quite liked it. So beats.
Just stop jumping in.
Okay.
Thank you. So to me, like from my generation, if you listen to it quite closely, this is my first time listening to it. Our first time. It just dropped today, but you can kind of get the drift of what they're talking about. They're
especially
talking
with
about
the title, relating it back to the title.
They're coming up from the ground up. They were chefing others to get on top. Now that they are, which chefing is another word
Backstabbing.
for backstabbing, and doing the dirties before they got to where they are now, which already, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's good they're filming it in their area.
And in daytime, so it's more easier to see, like
the milk bar, the milk bar on one side.
The dairy.
Milk bar is the Aussie word for dairy.
Yeah.
Should we go verse by verse?
Yeah, sorry guys, I've forgotten the lyrics, but I love how they repeat the hook or the chorus, the hook, like constantly. It's easy, like
in my day, it wasn't a hook; it was just verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse.
So it's
chorus.
different now, definitely.
Now there's a hook and there's a
and chorus and all that
crook.
jazz and chefings.
Chafing.
Yeah, chefing is my thing, not chefing.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna listen to it verse by verse again, just to let it sink in. But I feel like I could learn the hook.
It's slower.
Yeah, so it's quicker to catch on to.
Same side as the
It's
same.
like, yeah, I would really love to get that gear.
Are they Tongans?
Yeah, this guy looks half Tongan, half Arab or something.
It's like business, but why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that work. Lord forgive my boys from Sheffings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned. It's like business, but why these boys never learn? I pick up that line and get to the boys. It's time we put in that
I like how they both get a chance to sing it by themselves.
we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned.
Yeah, see, they
Yeah,
were,
basically what she was talking about before.
yeah, basically what I said before.
Yeah,
Probably after that, you played the whole thing the first time. It's the only thing that stuck in my head.
yeah. Why these boys never learn.
The other guy's taller than Neil. He's got a
Yeah.
higher voice. The first guy,
Good my boys for them shit.
yeah.
Yeah. The other one looks more like sort of intimidating.
I think they're Tongans.
No, they're
Don't know.
Samoans.
They're both Samoans?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're both Samoans from what I've seen. Because I was looking at their bio and Lev's just had the Samoan flag, and the last businessman video I was watching the Sweets guy had the salmon flakes, so I'm guessing they're strict salmon. It's not too much going on, so it's easier to listen to the lyrics and watch the video at the same time, if you know what I mean.
From Old Bag's point of view, it's slower, so I can actually listen. Not like with the last reaction we did, like I
was like, and in Melbourne and in MCG,
so I just
was like,
nodded my head, but I didn't even hear one word.
Yeah, but I love that they're from Melbourne, so you never know, there might be a girl driller group coming up.
Nice.
Nice. Alright, now let's go to the next part.
When you hit that stuff, don't stop tapping, lad, hit that good. They made me mess up the flow like this, cause ain't nobody ever roll like this. Hey, watch this flow, especially when I'm on the beat. I kill this thing, the bag is a murder scene. Grip that steel, them nigga like an athlete, but I'ma convert this thing to a masterpiece. Who wants to rock right now? They don't even wanna talk right now. Get involved right now. Watch them boys see them lads thinking I'm topping the ball right now. Gotta give it to you so the way, no time for acting and give it to you straight. Only bring it that week, but never been about flan. Got me spitting the bar and then I flip them in the tray. Where you going? Best believe we never back down. These OGs here to tell you where it's at now. We was from the burn, but they put us on the map now. Get ready to feel it, cause it gold chicken. They say it's sweet, still killing them now, my lad. I wasn't finished. Watch me pop both knees. Girl beat stuff that, get the strap and shit it. That's right, business.
Yeah, I like the last bit where they say Sweets. You're like getting up there and he basically just started, you know, like.
I guess I wasn't slow enough, I got lost.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a bit, but my memory latches onto another sentence and then I forget the next one.
I was trying to concentrate on that line, and then the other one came up, and then
I'll see it. Got it again.
Hit that good, they make me mess up the flow like this, cause ain't nobody ever roll like this. Hey, watch this flow, especially when I'm on the beat. I kill this thing, the bag is a murder scene. Grip that steel, them nigga like an athlete.
I'm guessing he's talking about how he's smashing the rap game at the moment, or about like the beat for his flow.
Oh, okay.
Basically what he's saying.
Oh yeah, I get the picture now.
So he's killing.
Yeah. So this first song he did well, and he's moving.
Yeah.
Onwards,
basically climbing the ladder pretty fast. Like the rest of the drillers out here. But they've only got one song and they're doing pretty good.
I'ma convert this thing to a masterpiece. Who wants to rock right now? They don't even wanna talk right now. Get involved right now. Watch them boys see them lads thinking I'm topping the ball right now. Gotta give it to you so the
dropping the ball, I'm guessing they're seeing them coming up pretty fast and the others are sort of dropping their nuts like maybe not. I'm guessing that's what I meant.
I thought he meant no one was
no one wants to come up against them.
Come up against them, yeah. Oh.
Damn, I wouldn't, jeez. But that's what it's like right now, you gotta...
The guys at the back look awkward.
Yeah,
like,
the one on the side of the...
Compared to the last drilling,
they look like they
they're
don't know
just
how
standing
to
around like...
They're
like
what
me.
What are you guys doing?
Standing around stiff as like don't know how to dance, so... That's...
I would have been like...
I can relate.
I have a chance to be in the background, I'm gonna go hard.
Maybe they should have had some shotties before they did the video.
Yeah, because the other guy was full like...
The one wearing the I don't know, the scarf, going like that. Awkward.
Just leave that for the dark, yeah. Dead. Yeah, it's just really awkward. They're sort of killing the video clip. Like, if I want to have friends in the video clip,
you want people to jump
you want
up,
people to hype you up, like,
but
not like
waste. Not in it.
No, like,
maybe he should have got a new lot of boys too.
Just to, like a lot of boys that were actually keen to be in the video clip. Oh mate.
No time for acting and give it to you straight. Only bring it that week, but never been about flan. Got me spitting the bar and then I flip them in the tray. Where you going? Best believe we never back down. These OGs here to tell you where it's at now. We was from the burn, but they put us on the map now. Get ready to feel it, cause it gold chicken. They say it's sweet, still killing them now, my lad. I wasn't finished. Watch me pop both knees and watch this girl beat stuff that. Get the strap and shit it. That's right, business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys and start me putting that work. Lord forgive my boys from chefings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count that, we're counting the blessings. Had your fun, but now it's our turn. It's straight business, but why these boys never learn? I pick up that line and get to the boys and start me putting that work. Lord
not beef like what maybe like what they're
Sounds
rapping
like-
up. Yeah, it sounds like they're just rapping about
Sounds
beef.
like they're low-key
Yeah, like they,
someone else.
because I heard about the Sydney beef and stuff like that. I'm not too sure about, but so, I don't know. Maybe I'm reading too much into it, but it seems like if they are rapping about like beefing it, maybe it's fake and it's just all for business sort of
I
thing.
think
Like,
it's in there somewhere, in the
I don't know,
lyrics.
it's like it's quite confusing because we don't know much about what's
I don't know much about the slang.
yeah, and what's been going on with
slang.
the drilling boys and stuff like that.
I'm not even concentrating on that.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to concentrate on the words that I can't even concentrate on.
Blessings had your fun, but now it's upturned. Back to back like I'm Jordan, and cut that beat like I'm Red Flip Heat with that wrist with back like I'm Gordon. Still take shots, just fire with no steel. Got buckets loaded with Jack and no Jill, and if they pop.
Gordon Ramsay. That part that
You said Jordan first.
Yeah, and then you said
With
Gordon.
that wrist with back like I'm Gordon. Still take shots, just fire with no steel. Got buckets loaded with Jack and no Jill, and if they pop back like Ed and Eddie, I still make sure that I murder.
No, Jack and Joe, I'm guessing he means just himself. He's killing the game, just himself. Oh, well like.
Oh,
he
you're just
said,
into.
Yeah, just them. Yeah, no one else.
There's no competition.
Yeah. I don't think they need competition. You're all good individually, like you're.
Unique.
Yeah.
Hey, pick up that line and get to the boys. Say I'm on this track, say less. Say no more, say less.
Say less.
Been grinding hard, we've been working, come with some, but we're doing it best. Hey, who them boys on the block? Who them boys on the block? We stay humble, but when things go down, you might get got, you might get. No sense, but it's burning. No use here, but I'm turning. Call me Peter Brock when I'm swerving. Whip it, set it, flick it, chef it, kick it like Mendes. That's business, comprende. That's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys and saw me putting that work. Lord forgive my boys from chefings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned. That's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up the line and get to the boys and saw me putting that work. Lord forgive my boys from chefings, but we made it out of the dirt. Don't count them, we're counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned. It's like business. But why these boys never learn? I pick up that line and get to the boys and tell me put in that work. Lord forgive my
Yeah, they're probably just talking about people bringing them down or something like that.
Don't count days, but counting them blessings. Had your fun, but now it's upturned.
I feel like he's talking about the other groups, like HP boys who've had their fun, now it's their turn to smash the game at the moment. I don't know. Interpretations might be donkeys again, but yeah. I actually really like the song. I like that they repeat the hook all the time, so I know that when I sing the song, I'll probably know it straight away.
To me, it sounds like it's just a chorus that
Yeah,
they repeat in one long ass verse.
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah, basically.
Not like
oh,
the
30Kingz, I like their
the
game.
last reaction had like
And more to it. Oh,
different
because there's
verses.
3 of them, so it's like, yeah,
yeah, but this one sounded like it was just
repetitive.
a chorus and one long verse and then just the chorus.
Yeah.
So what do you think overall? How do you rate it?
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
What the?
Oh no, I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8 because I didn't like the way the boys were acting back. Yeah, I'll give it another 8, a solid 8. I love the beat. I love the lyrics. It's more easier to understand. I like that there was less going on in the back, so like a lot different from the other video clips you would have seen of the drillers, Australian poly driller. Yeah, quite like. It's just the guys in the back who are killing it, and just killing it. Like not killing it good, killing it like. I like that they owned it as well. Like they really did own the song. Yeah, anyways, your turn. What do you think? Solid?
Oh, I thought I'd never get my turn. Wow. I'd give it a 5.
Oh, what's that? That's pretty.
Probably even a 4 out of 10.
Yeah. It doesn't grab you as much as the.
No, it's my turn now. They get points on. It's a slower drawback thing. Polys, I'll give them another point because they're polys. Samoan, Tongan, don't care. Fijian, as long as they're
Melanesian.
Polys to me, or family. But I found the quality of the video wasn't grabbing me. The beat, I didn't feel a beat, something that I would like. The boys at the back, really niggas, I just wanted
Like
to
just
come on, support your brothers
yeah,
properly.
don't look
I don't
like
know
you
if
don't
you're
want to be
supposed to.
there.
Don't know if you're supposed to do that or, but man, hype the video up a bit more, make it a bit more. Yeah, give it some
It seems like it was rushed, to be honest.
I don't think it was rushed. I just think
I just feel like
maybe the guys have heard the song over and over and over and over and over again. By the time it came to filming, they're just
like, great.
The two guys, the 30Kingz, just as stiff as the guys at the back. Sorry, but
Yeah.
that's from
Actually, now that I think
an
about
old
it,
bag's point of view. So
Yeah.
don't come at me for it. It's just
The
my
video clip was
opinion.
more, the video clip was more on a cooler, like the tone, like the visual perspective.
So this is our second reaction video, and for me, the HP boys are still on top.
Yeah, HP boys have
These
got a
guys come
vibe. They got a
second.
vibe, man.
Yeah.
30Kingz, still represent them because they're from Burn City, you know. But yeah, definitely HP boys on top. But I do love businessmen. That video clip did grab me a lot more than this one. I'd be like, nah. Put in that
Video
work.
finisher.
Put in that work. But
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed.
Hope you guys enjoyed our honest opinion.
Check
Our
it out
mom's honest
and
opinion.
check it out and see for yourself, and comment down below if you totally disagree with me. I'm all good with
Yeah,
that.
we're all good with that.
I'll just block you after.
And find out where you live in. And put in that work.
Yeah.
So we'll probably say this now and then you'll probably hear us bumping it like down the road. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. So thank you to all my new subscribers. We're at 850 subs, man. We're like literally 150 away from 1,000. So keep on sharing, guys. Keep on liking. Tell your family, your friends about it. Your grandmas and grandmas. Grandmas and grandmas.
Wow.
Your grandmas and grandpas. But yeah.
So what happens when you send them to go to school and they go and eat their lunch?
Why are you exposing me, man? Gotta put in that work. Oh, I put in more work into eating my lunch, but yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos. Again, let us know what else you want us to react to or do a video on, whether it's a vlog or something like that. But yeah.
If you want me to sing,
Cut. Mom's got the stink breath problem. Anyways, we're gonna end the video here.
No, we just got us some floss.
Bye.
Bruh. Bruh.
You feel gunny, huh?
Hurry up.
What did I tell you before this video? What did I tell you?
Fuck to your room, wait a
You go to your room. Are we gonna start this again?
Really?
Whip it. But yeah, hope you guys. Oh, anyway, I'd be saying that 10 million times. Okay, bye guys.
Oh no, I wanted to say something. I wanted to say something.
Try to be funny.
You guys, man, you guys are evil. The last reaction video we did, I had this thing on my ear, and not one of you guys commented on. I put it there on purpose to see if anyone would comment on it.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't. Even if you cracked a joke about
Guys,
it,
you guys
I
can
would've
crack
been
jokes
all
of
good
us.
about
Our
it.
humour is
But
like.
nobody commented about it, and I thought, wow, I just wanted to
Not
laugh.
real. Like, imagine if I had a snot over here and you guys didn't tell me. Like, my mum doesn't tell me anything when I have like.
I wait for at least one person to notice it, and then I go.
No, she waits for 1,000 people to
yeah.
notice. We go to a mall and I have like chocolate over here and she doesn't tell me. But yeah, anyways.
You're bloody 19 now.
Well,
You even saw your wuku.
ooh, this chick, she drinks Coke and she just lived it. Oh, we're exposing each other now.
I'm trying to grow a mustache. Acid kills the mustache.
No Coke. Okay.
Go bear.
Okay. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys heaps for watching. And if you want more roast sessions, at the end of our reaction videos
No, you
or
know-
videos? Let us know.
Apart from reaction videos, this is it for me. I'm not going to join her any other videos. Done. Over it. Yeah, over it, totally over it.
Anyways, you'll see her in the next reaction video. Bye guys. See ya.